Hi, I'm Dr. Smith, and today on For Pet's Sake, Darcy and I are going to touch base with you on kennel cough. Kennel cough is a self-limiting cold. Dogs with kennel cough will exhibit a characteristic dry honking cough and will sometimes appear to be under the weather. Like the common cold in people, most dogs will clear this infection on their own without antibiotics. However, in young or immunocompromised animals, kennel cough could progress into a more severe illness like pneumonia. For the most part, kennel cough can be prevented by routine vaccination, so it's important to talk to your veterinarian about what vaccinations your pet needs and what schedule they should be on. To connect with me and to ask your pet questions, visit drdevinsmith.com and check me out on social media. Share your favorite pet moments with our community. Go to our news app, click Explore, chime in, and upload your pet-tastic photos.